नमस्ते जी। हिंदी कक्षा में आपका स्वागत है। यू आर वेलकम इन हिंदी क्लास। इन दिस सीरीज वी आर डिस्कसिंग 5 words with its meaning and with sentences to make you fluent in the Hindi. So in every video you will learn 5 words and few sentences related to that. There are other series to be fluent in Hindi, where I started the series with like absolute learner level. Okay, so if you are the beginner, on the beginner level, you can start your journey, Hindi learning journey, through that series, that is 10 minutes conversational Hindi. So go to the channel, just subscribe and watch. Be fluent in Hindi. Now learn 5 words. So the first word is because. Because means क्योंकि. क्योंकि. Now sentence. How we will use this word in the sentence? This is actually a conjunction or joining word, we can say. I'll not go to school because I am sick. Because I am sick. Sick. So I will note this is future tense. Go is jana, but here because future tense, so we will add ja plus unga or ungi, as a feminine ungi and as a masculine unga. I'll not go to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगी क्योंकि, बिकॉज इज क्योंकि, आई एम मैं हूँ, सिक इज बीमार, क्योंकि मैं बीमार हूँ. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं बीमार हूँ. So in earlier part, earlier 4 parts, we discussed the words starting with A and B also. Now few words starting with B. B also here. Now second word is before. Before, that means के पहले और से पहले. Now sentence is I will not come before you. I will not come before you. मैं आपसे, before you is आपसे पहले. Will come is आऊंगी. To come means आना. To come means आना, and as a main verb we will take it as आ, and future tense, so we will add ऊंगा और ऊंगी. आऊंगा, आऊंगी. मैं आपसे पहले आऊंगी as a feminine. मैं आपसे पहले आऊंगा as a masculine. Second sentence, she wakes up before sunrise. She wakes up before sunrise. She is वह, conversationally we can say वो. Wakes up is उठती है. To wake up is उठना, but simple present tense, so we'll add ta or ti kind of suffix. So उठ plus ti as a feminine, उठ plus ta as a masculine. So she wakes up, वह उठती है और वो उठती है. Before sunrise. Sunrise is सूर्योदय in हिंदी, सूर्योदय. और बिफोर से पहले, वह सूर्योदय से पहले उठती है. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस इन हिंदी इज सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब. सो वर्ब विल कम एट द एंड. उठती है, वह सूर्योदय से पहले उठती है और वो सूर्योदय से पहले उठती है. थर्ड वर्ड इज beggar. Beggar, that means भिखारी. भिखारी. The beggar was lying on the footpath. The beggar was lying on the footpath. भिखारी फुटपाथ पर लेटा था. भिखारी फुटपाथ पर लेटा था. So lying is for living things we will say लेटा, लेटे or लेटी, and for non-living things lying means पड़ा, पड़ी, पड़े. Suppose like if this is the beggar, not beggar but clothes. The clothes were lying on the table. So कपड़े मेज पर पड़े थे. Okay, like that. So but here beggar is a kind of we can say like living thing. So for living being we will say लेटा, लेटी, लेटे according to the gender. So the beggar was lying on the footpath. Beggar फुटपाथ पर लेटा था, बिकॉज सिंगुलर मैस्कुलिन, लेटा था. Now fourth word is beginning. That means शुरुआत और आरंभ. शुरुआत और आरंभ. We can say starting also. That means also शुरुआत और आरंभ. Synonyms I wrote here. आरंभ. The beginning of the movie. The beginning of the movie. Movie we can say movie. We can say film. Usually we say film. So the beginning of the movie. फिल्म की शुरुआत. ऑफ इज का, के, की. सो फिल्म की शुरुआत. फिल्म वी आर सपोजिंग एज मैस्कुलिन हियर. सो फिल्म की शुरुआत. बिगनिंग ऑफ द मूवी. एंड वाई द वर्ड इज गोइंग लाइक बिगनिंग ऑफ द मूवी इज फिल्म की शुरुआत, बिकॉज वॉट एवर द पोस्ट prepositions are there in English. In Hindi, they will take the place of post position, means will come after the noun. So फिल्म की शुरुआत was good, अच्छी थी. अच्छी थी. was were means था, थे, थी. So as feminine I told you, film we will say थी. फिल्म की शुरुआत अच्छी थी. good, अच्छी, अच्छा. And synonym is आरंभ. The fifth word is behind, means के पीछे. के पीछे. Sita is standing behind Ram. Sita is standing behind Ram. So standing is खड़ी है. This standing is खड़ी है as a feminine, and खड़ा है as a masculine, and खड़े हैं for the masculine plural. सीता इज स्टैंडिंग. सीता खड़ी है. बिहाइंड राम. राम के पीछे. सो बिहाइंड हिज इज हियर a preposition. In whatever the preposition in English, in Hindi they works like post position. So behind Ram will become राम के पीछे. सीता राम के पीछे खड़ी है. So this is how these were the 5 words. And if you want to learn Hindi from scratch, you can follow the different series on the channel I started. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you are looking for one-on-one class, you can ask me on Skype. You can mail me on this mail ID. And if you want to support my work, you can support it on patreon.com. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you very much. See you again.